Hello everyone! Today we're going to crop shirts 5 different ways, so grab your scissors. For these tutorials you will need some t-shirts, a ruler, some sharp scissors, and something to mark your clothing with. First up is the knotted crop top, and it requires the least amount of cutting. So put your shirt on inside out and mark where you want to crop the shirt on both sides. Lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and connect your crop marks. Then draw a line straight down the center of the shirt below the crop line. Cut along this line through the top layer of fabric, stopping at the crop line. Put your shirt back on, gather the 2 sides of your shirt up by your waist and tie them together. The next tutorial is a straight crop, and it's the simplest. Put your shirt on inside out and mark where you want to crop the shirt on both sides. Connect your crop marks and cut along this line through both layers of fabric. And that's it. The third tutorial is the tie-up crop top. It's kind of a fancier version of the first one. So once again, put your shirt on inside out and mark where you want to crop the shirt on both sides. Lay your shirt down flat and connect your crop marks in the center and on the side. Now, starting a couple inches in from the side of the shirt at your crop mark, start drawing a diagonal line down towards the bottom center of the shirt. Do the same on the other side to make a triangle. Draw a line straight down the center of the triangle in the center of the shirt. Start cutting in from one side, down the diagonal line, up the other, and out the other side. Now cut up the center line, stopping at the crop line. Then flip your shirt around backside up and use your ruler to mark the crop line on the back and cut straight across the back layer of fabric. Then I cut the front center of the shirt up a little bit more. Put your shirt back on and tie the 2 pieces of fabric together. The fourth tutorial is a wrap crop top you can tie in the front or the back. So put your shirt on inside out and mark where you want to crop your shirt on both sides. Lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and connect your crop marks. Then trace around the collar. Draw a line from the center of the crop line up about halfway to the collar. Then draw curved lines inwards down from each side of the collar to meet that center line. Now from the bottom of the crop line, continue the straight line down the center of the shirt about halfway to the bottom. Now we're going to draw the straps. Starting a couple inches out from the center line, draw a curved L shape down, following about an inch away from the center line, then curving back to the outer edge of the shirt. Then keeping the inch distance from the line you just drew, curve the center line out to the side of the shirt as well, making an L-shaped strap. Repeat on the other side so that the 2 straps make kind of an upside down Y shape. Now we're going to cut out the straps through both layers of fabric following these lines below the crop line, but making sure to leave them attached to the top in the center. Now cutting through just the top layer of fabric, cut along the lines above the crop line, then cut off the collar in the back. Flip your shirt over and cutting through the back layer of fabric only, cut straight across the shirt, detaching the straps from the back. Put your shirt back on and cross each side in the front, and either tie in the back or wrap back around to tie in the front. The last tutorial is a pointed fringe crop top. You guessed it, put your shirt on inside out and mark where you want to crop the shirt on both sides. Lay your shirt down flat and connect your crop marks. Now make a mark in the center a couple inches down from the crop line and connect that to the edge of the shirt a couple inches above the crop line on both sides, making a point. Use your ruler to draw another pointed line parallel with the first, but about 6 inches below it. Now measure out inch-wide sections all along the top pointed line. Use these marks to draw parallel vertical lines down to the bottom pointed line. Cut through both layers of fabric along the bottom pointed line, then cut all the vertical lines stopping at the top pointed line. Cut the side seams up to the top pointed line. Now stretch all of these pieces. And that's it! I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at a North It All. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching!